Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to redeem your NielsenIQ points for an Amazon gift card. So log into your NielsenIQ account. I currently have over 239,000 points, which is just over $300. Click on the rewards menu item up top, and then click on View Gifts. Scroll down and click on the gift catalog link. So this is the gift catalog page. Use this drop-down menu, scroll down, and choose gift cards. On this page, scroll down, and you'll notice that there are a few different denominations of Amazon gift cards. I'm going to redeem 35,000 points for a $50 Amazon gift card. I'll click on Add to Cart, and it'll bring you to this page. Click on View Cart, and here you can add multiple quantities. I'll change it to 6, and then click Update Cart. So I'll be redeeming a total of 210,000 points. Next, click on Proceed to Checkout. I'll enter my phone number here. Check this box. Click Confirm Order. Make sure to check my mailing address. And finally, click Place Order. You'll get a confirmation with an order number. You'll also receive a confirmation email message. My Amazon gift cards arrived in 4 weeks, but that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.